Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Cancer, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay Nine of Swords in reverse, which is really good kasi you are about to let go na sa ngayon yung anxiety ninyo, you're letting go of your stress, of your worry, yung gano'n, no? Because you are getting that clarity of thought already. Maaring meron nakapag-advise sa inyo or merong dumating na intuitive messages sa inyo and you were able to catch that, you were able to listen to it, at kaya nagkaroon ng kalinawan ng inyong isipan, you know? So now, ano na kayo, you're releasing your worries na, kaya makakapag-move forward na kayo sa life. Emperor energy, Cancer, this is about fatherhood, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito ay magiging tatay na. Probably din na kayo ay nasa isang position of authority sa trabaho ninyo. Maaari din na kayo ay mapopromote into a leadership role. So, posibleng ganun din ang ganap dyan for some of you. Na-pick up ko lang din na baka ang iba sa inyo mayroong mga conversation dito with a father figure ninyo or a father archetype, no? So, maaaring you're discussing something with your dad, with your grandpa, or kung sino man ang tinuturing ninyong father figure. Siguro may mga pag-uusap kayo, consultations kayo about something sa buhay ninyo, sa inyong mga daddy, sa inyong mga papa, tatay, lolo, no? What else? We have Page of Cups in reverse. Ayan. So, ang iba siguro sa inyo dito, Cancer, no? Merong kainggitan sa katawan, ano? Maring merong mga naiinggit sa inyong kung sino man, katrabaho, kaibigan, or even kapamilya. Diba? Maring merong mga kinaiinggitang bagay, sitwasyon, or pangyayari sa inyo at this time. So, what else? We have 8 of Pentacles. Ayan. So, masaya kayo sa trabaho, no? Yan sinasabi ng card. You have happy employment. Maaring focus din kayo sa pagmamaster ng inyong craft. Maaring kayo ay nag-training, humatid ng mga workshops, siguro, or maybe you're doing your own research, or baka kayo ay nag-aaral, no? Maybe you are taking additional courses para mas lalo pang gumaling kayo sa kung ano man ang craft ninyo or kung ano man ang talents or gifts ninyo or skills, no? Yung ganon. Probably din, ang iba sa inyo dito is will be rewarded, no? Doon sa job well done na ginawa ninyo sa inyong trabaho. So, maybe mabigyan kayo dito ng financial reward, bonus, baka mabigyan kayo ng promotion, no? Lalo-lalo na meron tayong Emperor energy, so most likely may promotion dyan. We have 6 of Cups in reverse. Ayan. So, ang iba naman sa inyo dito siguro, very independent kayo, no? Self-sufficient, kung baga. Kaya, yung parang ang tibay ninyo, 'di ba? Parang astig kayo in a sense, no, Cancer, kasi you don't need anyone dito para, alam mo yun, yung laging may masasandalan, kasi maaaring kayo nga yung madalas sandalan ng mga taong mahal ninyo sa buhay or mga taong nasa paligid ninyo. Maaaring kayo nga itong laging hinihingaan ng tulong, no? Yung ganun ba? So, what else? We have Chariot. Yan, there is success na naghihintay sa inyo. Kung ano man ang inyong mga gagawin. Kasi parang nanggagaling kayo sa tagumpay. Kaya you're very successful. You're very confident na din ngayon. Kaya kahit saan man kayo pumunta sa ngayon, ano man yung sunod din yung gagawin, ano mang next endeavor that you are going to engage to, ano na kayo, you're going to be successful, no? Kasi mas confident kayo ngayon, mas excited kayo ngayon. Yung parang mas magaling na kayo sa ngayon, mas pinagtibay na kayo ng panahon. Kaya parang mas malakas ang inyong loob sa ngayon at wala kayong uurungan, wala kayong iindahin. You know, yung confidence level ninyo is talagang sobrang taas, no? There is also travel energy dito. So, most likely, yung iba sa inyo is going to travel. It could be also relocation na gagawin ng iba sa inyo. We have angel number 1441. Ayan. Sabi dito, it's the time of intense self-development. So maybe you're going to focus on developing yourself, developing your skills and talents and gifts, no? Focus your mind on your craft. You already have what it takes to succeed, but practice makes you a master. It also serves to find your true purpose. Leveling up in your career or business is a priority right now. Kaya siguro ang iba sa inyo dito, maaring mag-aaral, maaring mag-attend ng mga workshops, maaring mag-research, maaring gagawa kayo or online courses kayo, no? All of those to enhance your talents, skills, or gifts, or learn new things, or learn new crafts, no? We have angel number 6666. Great blessings are coming your way. Sabi dito, nurture yourself, your needs, desires, and boundaries. Let go of things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful and expand your spirit to all areas of life. That big love, opportunity, or job needs to squeeze in somewhere. Kaya you really need to let go of something dito so that you can make room for this newness, so that you can make room of new situations, no? People, opportunities sa buhay ninyo. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.